this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who can help you with your website. Feel free to contact me with your requests by info under this video, or simply by leaving your request in comment area. Thank you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying my best and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I'm going to show you what you should do after installing Clear WordPress for your website. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation or tips to support me. All information you can find in description area under this video. So let's start. Okay, you installed Clear WordPress and what you actually should do. So uh, first thing, you should go to plugins and delete this default plugins. You don't really need it. Click attack, so it's delete. Okay, let's delete it. Great. After, go to pages and delete pages you have here. I changed names, but you will have sample page, like you don't really need it. So you will need to create home page or front page. Click save. Okay. After, go to posts and delete this hello world post. It will show into your WordPress website. Into Google search, and it's not really good for SEO. Let's Google it. Like maybe it will be our luck and we will find no websites with such. Oh, you see, for example, here is some website, here is some website, here is some website, and you see they all shows this hello world. Like hello world, it's empty page, like empty comment default. You don't need it for your website, but it looks pretty good. And here is same. This website doesn't work. And here is same and with errors. So it says hello world, default comment, and website is looking good. But for SEO you don't need it. Okay? So just go, sorry, I close it. Just go to posts and click trash. Okay, go to trash and delete permanently. After, go to categories and change this to some. So actually, sorry, never mind about it. So what I do next? After, go to comments. Okay, comment was deleted by deleting post. Okay, next step, you should go to appearance themes and of course select your theme. Yeah, right. So we already choose it. It will be default hour. So really like default themes, of course no. After, go to users. So it's me. Hello, you can see how beautiful I am in this photo, like 10 years old. So what you should do? First, nickname. Okay, so here I have username admin. For safety reason, you should never use user with username admin. Okay, so you actually need click to all users. It's my mistake. Username like admin custom name. So it should be not admin, because all websites use admin and it's much easier for hackers to hack your website. And password should be difficult, really difficult, like this. Okay, and click administrator, and here will be some email. Here will be okay your email gmail.com. This step should be done when you create a website, not on this. I just want to show you that admin email is really important. Admin access. Okay. So yeah. I'll delete it. I just wanted to show that the password and admin username should be not admin like I have here. It's just test website, so I don't really care about it. After what you should do, you should go to plugins, add new, and select SEO Yoast. This is best plugin for SEO, and you really need it to work for good Google results. Okay, let's install it. Installing and okay, and activate. Let's wait. Okay, looks good. Start first time configuration. Okay. About plugin, you can learn in my other videos, which I didn't create yet, but there will be definitely. After, you should install plugin, which is a really important tool called WordPress. They are free. WordPress. WordPress is really important plugin for your security. If you don't want to get malware, or if you will get malware in future, some virus, this plugin will be lifesaver for you. So activate. You don't need to learn about this plugin a lot. You just need to get WordFans license. Here it's free with your email and that's it. Okay, so after you should go to settings and permalinks. Permalinks should be, you see permalink structure, and you should go to post name. So your pages will look normal, like this and not like this. Okay. I'm not sure how to call it in English, but it's like readable. I'm sounds funny. Okay, I'm sorry. So after you should go to reading and your homepage displays. Your homepage displays should be static page. Even if it's block, you probably will create some custom layout for homepage and it will be custom page or static page. Homepage, home and post page should be post. I didn't create it. Okay, let's create it. Block. This is from WordFans. This will disappear once you will do your installation. Remind me later. Close, publish. Okay, we have our blog. Let's refresh page. Post page, blog. Okay, and save pages. So that's all settings you need to do to start work on your website. One more. You should go to reading and click this search engine visibility and click this checkbox and click save. I need to explain what it is. So when you create website, Google robots come to your pages and check them for data. They are indexing it and they fetch data. So your website, which will be not ready within 2 days, of course, will be already in Google results, which you don't need it. It will be very hard to, well, not hard, it will be time consuming to remove wrong data in Google search results. Okay, so this checkbox asks Google to do not check your website do not fetch your website inside Google search. Okay, so you check this checkbox, you work on WordPress website, and once you are done, you just remove this checkbox and click save. So you probably might forget about it, but you can see Yoast size in notifications. Huge SEO issue. You are blocking access to robots. So you probably will not miss it. Okay. Once this setting's done, it's like first WordPress settings you need. Yeah. So once this setting's done, you can work on website, you can continue build something, and that's the most important settings you need to do. So if you don't want to do the settings, if you need some website, if you want some changes, if you need some help, if you need some consultation, don't hesitate to contact me by some information under this video. Feel free to contact me with comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I'm always happy to help you, always happy to get some donations, some tips, I never got any yet. Anyway, this video isn't launching it, I just recording, so yes, of course I didn't. Anyway, thank you guys for support. I am happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.